because you're probably resetting the wrong things. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what the Stoics discovered about true transformation and why everything you know about starting fresh might be keeping you stuck. Let me guess. You've tried setting new goals, creating new routines, downloading new productivity apps, but somehow, a few weeks later, you're right back where you started. Here's what's fascinating. 2,000 years ago, Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, wrote something in his private journal that changes everything. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Think about that for a second. What if the very things you're trying to reset, your challenges, your obstacles, even your failures, are actually the key to your transformation? Here's what everyone gets wrong about resetting their life. Wait. Before I explain this, pause the video and think. What was the last thing you tried to reset in your life? Got it? Okay, let's continue. Most people try to change their circumstances before changing their perspective, control the external world before mastering their internal world, add new habits before removing what's not working. But the Stoics discovered something counterintuitive. True control starts with accepting what you can't control. You might be thinking, that sounds like giving up. Trust me, it's not. Here's why. Let me break down the exact 30-day Stoic Reset framework. Week 1. The Control Audit. Each morning, spend 5 minutes on the Sphere of Control exercise. Draw 2 circles in your journal. Outer circle. Write everything causing you stress. Inner circle. Highlight only what you can influence. After that, you will realize 80% of your anxiety was about things you couldn't control. That awareness alone changed everything. Week 2. The Perception Shift. This is where we apply Epictetus's principle. It's not things that upset us, but our judgments about things. Pause right now and ask yourself, what's one situation you're currently judging as bad? Could there be another way to see it? Week 3. Strategic Acceptance. Here's where most reset programs fail. Instead of fighting reality, you'll learn amor fati, loving what is. Even Jeff Bezos uses this principle. When Amazon faced early criticism, he didn't fight it. He used it to improve. Week 4. Deliberate Action. This is where everything comes together. You'll learn to act without emotional reactivity, make decisions with clarity, build unshakable confidence through daily Stoic practices. Let me show you how this works in real life. Before, stress about a work deadline. After, using the deadline as a focus tool. Before, anxiety about relationship issues. After, seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but will it actually work for me? Here's what's fascinating about this approach. It's not about adding more to your life. It's about stripping away what's unnecessary. It's not about controlling everything. It's about focusing your energy where it actually matters. If you're ready to stop hitting that reset button and start making real, lasting change. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you've been trying to reset that might actually be showing you the way forward? If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell to join our community of modern Stoics. Remember, true transformation isn't about starting over. It's about seeing clearly what's already there.